adding fractions. First, let's say we have the fraction 1/2, and we want to add another half to that. 1/2 plus another half, that means we have 2 halves. 2 halves, and 2 over 2 will equal 1. Let's say we have 1/5 plus 2/5. Both fractions are the same kind, and so we can add them. 1/5 plus 2/5 is going to give us 3/5. Now suppose we have a fraction like this, 1/8 plus 3/8. They're both the same kind. They're both eighths. And here we have 1, and here we have 3. So that's a total of 4/8. But 4/8, 4 over 8. Both of these numbers are divisible by 4. Both of them are multiples of 4. 4 goes into 4 once, and 4 goes into 8 twice. And when we actually look at this, 4 is half of 8. And so we can simplify this fraction 2/8 to 1/2. And basically we do that by dividing both the numerator and the denominator by the same number. Now, wonder if we have a fraction like 1/2, and we want to add it to another fraction like 1/3. In this case, we have halves and thirds. The two fractions are two different kinds, two different sizes. What we'll have to do then is to find a common denominator, a common size, so that then we can add them. Well, a common multiple of 2 and 3, simply 2 times 3 would make 6. 2 goes into 6 3 times. So 2 times 3 will give us 6. 1 times 3 gives us 3. And down here, 3 times 2 gives us 6. 1 times 2 gives us 2. 1/2 equals 3/6. 1/3 equals 2/6. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5/6. Then we look at that fraction to see if we can reduce it. And in fact, we can't. Let's take another example. 2/6 plus 5/6. They're both the same kind of fraction. 2 plus 5 is 7. We have 7/6. Now we notice that the number on top, the numerator, is larger than the denominator. We call this an improper fraction. 6 goes into 7 once, and we have 1 left over, and so we wind up with 1 and 1/6. Let's take one more example. 5/6 plus 2/3. And in this case, we have sixths here and thirds here, and we need to make them so that they are both the same size. Thirds can be converted into 6 by simply multiplying by 2. 3 times 2 gives us 6. The numerator then would be 2 times 2, are 4. 2/3 is 4/6, and 4/6 is 2/3. 5/6 remains 5/6. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9/6. Again, we have an improper fraction where the top number is larger than the bottom number. Divide the bottom number into the top number, we get 1 with 3 left over, and we put that over top of the denominator. But we're still not finished because, in fact, 3/6 can be reduced or simplified. So we wind up with 1 and 1/2. And so this is a basic introduction to adding fractions.